Actor Shahir Sheikh will play the role of Veer in an upcoming web show titled Parushpur. The actor recently got married to his girlfriend Ruchika Kapoor. Shahir and Ruchika did court marriage on 27th of November 2020. During the promotional interview of his upcoming show, when Shahir was asked to talk about his hush-hush wedding, he said,
But this lockdown made all of us realize different things. What it made me realize is that, first of all, how we are ill-treating our environment and how it can react in a way that we will suffer and how we should treat it better. The other thing was that we can't plan anything for future. I can't say next year I'll do this and 1 year after that I'll do this. You can't plan because everything is so unpredictable. So that's when I thought that, whatever I have to do it now. So let's do it.
Is there a possibility you'll be throwing a big party? All the people post, everything get normalized.
Yes, that's the plan actually. Because of the COVID situation also, we couldn't invite anyone and we couldn't do a proper function. So most probably what we have planned, because my sister is also abroad and almost a lot of relatives are settled abroad, people have to come from other countries. We have planned it for June next year in Jammu. So hopefully we'll be able to host everyone over there in Jammu and take people, my friends from Bombay to Jammu and celebrate it there. A lot of my friends are looking forward to go to Jammu because they have never been there or they want to see that side of India. Yeah, explore.
talking about his role in the web series, Shahir said,
What we are trying to tell the audience through Veer is that at that time also there were a few men who would use their power and their aggression to bring equality in the society, to make sure that everyone is treated equally, women get their rights. They were fighting for that in that era as well. Not everyone was trying to suppress women. So that's what I think I felt was quite inspiring about Veer, and that's why I wanted to play this character.
Parushpur also features Anu Kapoor, Milind Soman, Shilpa Shinde and Flora Saini. The show will stream on 29th of December on Alt Balaji and Z5 Club. Actor Shahid Kapoor has completed the shooting for his upcoming film Jersey. The actor took to Instagram to share the news with a heartfelt note. He wrote, "It's a film wrap on Jersey, 47 days of shoot during COVID, just unbelievable. I'm so proud of the entire team. It's nothing short of a miracle. I want to thank each and everyone from the unit for coming to set every day, putting themselves at risk and doing what we all love doing, telling stories that touch hearts and make a difference. Jersey is a story that speaks of a phoenix rising from the ashes, the triumph of an indomitable spirit. If there was ever a time I could connect with the underlying spirit of a film, that was it. As we all fight through this pandemic, let's always remember this shall pass too. Here's to my best filmmaking experience yet. Here's to Jersey. We shall overcome." Shahid also took to his Instagram stories and shared a picture in which he can be seen cutting cake with the cast and crew of the film. He wrote, 14th December 2019 to 14th of December 2020. This is my dream team. Each one of them has my deepest gratitude. Jersey is a sports drama which is a Hindi remake of Telugu hit of the same name. The Hindi version is directed by Gautam Kinori, who had also helmed the 2019 original. The story is about a talented but failed cricketer named Arjun who decides to make a comeback in his late 30s and play for India in order to fulfill his son's wish. Till now, the film has been shot in Uttarakhand and Chandigarh. The film also features Mrunal Thakur and Shahid's father, Pankaj Kapoor. Bollywood actress and mum-to-be Kareena Kapoor Khan shared a picture from an ad shoot on social media. Kareena took to Instagram to share the picture. In the photo, Kareena can be seen dressed in pink athleisure, flaunting her baby bump. She captioned the post, "Two of us on the sets." Several Bollywood celebs commented on Kareena's post. Her best friend Amrita Arora wrote, "Stunning." Famous celebrity designer Manish Malhotra reacted with heart emoji. Kareena's cousin Ridhima Kapoor Sahni wrote, "Love." Kareena recently wrapped up shooting for her upcoming film Lal Singh Chaddha. The film is directed by Advait Chandan. Bollywood budding actress Sara Ali Khan spent her Monday evening with a cup of chai by the setting sky at her terrace. Sara took to Instagram to share the picture. She captioned the post, "Winter chai, setting sky." In the photo, Sara can be seen wearing pink colored pullover which she layered up with a shawl. On the work front, Sara will next be seen in Coolie No. 1 alongside Varun Dhawan. The movie is directed by Varun's father, David Dhawan. She will also share screen space with actors Akshay Kumar and Dhanush in the upcoming film Atrangi Re. That he wants to try his hand at acting.
एक्टिंग का मुझे काफ़ी लोगों के ऑफर्स आए हैं एक्चुअली, और लोग मुझे काफ़ी पूछते हैं कि आप कभी एक्टिंग करोगे, और मेरे म्यूज़िक वीडियोस भी देख के लोगों को लगता है कि मैं एक्टर बन सकता हूँ। मेरा बस यही एक चीज़ है कि मैं किसी भी चीज़ को हाफ हार्टेडली नहीं करना चाहता हूँ या आधे अधूरे जोन में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ। अगर मैंने इतने साल सिंगिंग ट्रेनिंग किया है और सीखा है प्लेबैक सिंगिंग, उसी तरीके से एक्टिंग भी, मतलब ऐसे ही मैं सोचूं कि यार हाँ आज मैं एक्टिंग करूँगा, वैसा नहीं चाहता हूँ मैं अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होके आना चाहता हूँ, अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंटेशन हो, डांस हो या एक्शन हो, ये सब चीज़ें हैं एक्टिंग में बहुत नेसेसरी। ये सब स्किल्स मेरे में फ़िलहाल, मतलब डांसिंग में थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लेता हूँ म्यूज़िक से ग्रूव करते हुए, लेकिन इतनी ट्रेनिंग नहीं है एक्टिंग के फील्ड में, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अच्छे से ट्रेन करके आऊँ जब भी आऊँ। और फिलहाल म्यूज़िक में इतने सारी चीज़ें हो रही है, इतने सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं, इतने अलग इंडस्ट्रीज़ में मैं गा रहा हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश में भी गा रहा हूँ, मैं रीजनल जो हमारे सिनेमा है, तेलुगु, तमिल, साउथ इंडियन जो फिल्म्स हैं उनके लिए गा रहा हूँ, हिंदी फिल्म्स के लिए गा रहा हूँ, हिंदी नॉन फिल्म भी गा रहा हूँ। तो मेरा पूरा जो साल है वो ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाई हो जाता है म्यूज़िक के साथ, तो मुझे खुद नहीं लगता है कि यार हाँ यार एक स्पेस है जहाँ पे मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ एक्टिंग। लेकिन अगर एक ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट आए जिसमें मैं मुझे लगता है कि मैं जस्टिस कर पाऊँ, जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि मैं नेचुरली एक्ट कर पाऊँ, खुद जो मैं खुद हूँ नॉर्मली वही मैं अगर स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंट करूँ, जैसे म्यूजिशियन का एक कुछ सीरीज़ निकले या म्यूजिशियन के ऊपर एक फिल्म बने, तो ऐसा कुछ अगर कुछ आए तो आई वुड बी ओपन टू इट।
During a promotional interview of his music video Vehem, Arman said,
मुझे बहुत ब्यूटीफुली इसको जो आशीष पांडा जो डायरेक्टर हैं उन्होंने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली इसे डायरेक्ट किया है। उदयपुर में शूट किया गया है ये। आसिम ने आई थिंक अभी तक प्रॉब्ली 5 या 6 म्यूज़िक वीडियोस किए हैं। इसके पहले T-Series के साथ एक और था उनका, दिल को मैंने दी कसम, जो अमल ने किया था और अरिजीत ने गाया था। उसके बाद वो मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स अ रियली गुड थिंग टू सी। आसिन जो पहले कभी मतलब म्यूज़िक वीडियोस नहीं करते थे, अभी ऑलरेडी 6-7 वीडियो कर चुके हैं और हर एक वीडियो के साथ उनकी परफॉर्मेंस इम्प्रूव होती गई है। तो इस वीडियो में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अमेजिंग सा एक परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, बिना कोई डायलॉग्स के, बिना कुछ के वो ऑलरेडी बयां कर पा रहे हैं जो इस गाने की जो इमोशंस है, जो फीलिंग्स है। तो दैट्स एन अमेजिंग थिंग।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.